Hello everyone, welcome to OneClass's online tutorial session. My name is Bassam. Today I'll be going through some math problems. If you have any more questions, you can always go on OneClass for your homework help and tutorials. So let's get started with the first question. We're asked if a polynomial function f at x has roots -8, 1, and 6i, what must also be a root of f at x? So the roots that we have are f at x is equal to x plus 8. So here we have -8, which is technically x equals to 8. But when we're putting it in a function, it would be x plus 8. And then we also have x minus 1, so same idea here. And we have x minus 6i. So one thing we have to note for anytime we have an imaginary root, the main fact that you need to know is we'll have the conjugate of that imaginary root. So here we have x minus 6i. So right away we have to recognize from the question it's trying to let us pay attention to that imaginary root. And we know that based on this fact, for any polynomial with this root, we would have the conjugate form, which would just be x plus 6i. So these are should all be on the same line. So this is times. It will be x plus 8 times x minus 1 times x minus 6i times x plus 6i. So our final answer would be that the root that we must also have is x equal to -6i. So looking at the solution here, it kind of just explains the normal form of the polynomial function and outlines that we were looking for the conjugate form of positive 6i, which is -6i. So we'll just leave a comment here. Excellent job. Answer is correct.